custom built street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Let's check this one out a little closer. 1941 Ford Deluxe convertible street rod. 350 V8 power underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic to be exact. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold, heat blows hot. Two-tone color combination is bright blue. Accent on the top and nice sharp silver on the bottom. Frenched in headlights. They are a more modern headlight, as you can see, and it looks like they have the blinkers, marker lights built into the headlight itself. Take a look at the custom front end on this one. Painted grille, bumper. I do want to point out there was one little dinger I noticed over on the side. Right there. Not the end of the world. It's something you're very concerned about and you want to purchase this vehicle, discuss fixing that. We do have a body shop. Work something out with a sales consultant when you call in or email. And you can call in at 507-386-1726. You can check out all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on centerline polished wheels. Now, paint shows well in this. There is some spots. You see a little bit of imperfection or stress here. There, I don't know if you can see that. Top of the blue. There's a few kind of just little specks in the paint. It's one of those cars that'll get in, drive it, enjoy it, have some fun. Trust me, it still has a great look to it. I'm being pretty fussy when I'm talking about some imperfections here or there in the paint. Let's take a look down this passenger side. This is an all steel body. Manual top, and we'll put that top up, show you the condition of it, how the car looks with it up. There's some kind of custom paint work done, breaking up the body line between the blue top and silver bottom. You can see the door handles have been shaved. There is a key fob. I'll show you how that works in a second on the steering column at the moment. Custom dash, custom interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start that up in just a bit. First of all, I want to remind you we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Custom rear bumper, dual exhaust, Frenched in taillights. You can see that blue pops, nice shine to it. Again, there's a few little, I don't know if you can even pick them up, a few little specks maybe in the clear. Again, take your time looking through those still pics. UniqueClassicCars.com. Does have a 42 Ford front end on this, front disc brakes. Cruise and tilt column, power windows, Dakota digital gauges. Technician mentioned brakes are 90% or better at all four corners. So we take a look down this driver's side. You can see paint shows well on this side, nice shine to it. If you like these street rods, maybe old Fords in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. When these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or right off our showroom floor. Nice custom convertible top cover or boot. A little embroidery on that rear seat with the Ford logo. I'm going to reach in here and grab these keys a second. So key fob, push the number one button on the key fob, door pops open. All right. Door panels matching the interior with the silver and gray combination. Same as the seats. Right down here, a couple release handles. One for the hood, one for the trunk. Power seat, and that is working. Up and down, forward and backwards, tilt. Speaking of tilt, once again, tilt column. Power window switches right here. Dakota Digital, literally digital dash. Let me go ahead and get the key in. All right, so we have oil pressure over here coming up. Now, this is going to look like it's blinking on the screen. I do believe it's showing me that on the computer there. It went back off. It's the phase, I believe they call it. And that is solid when you're looking at it in person. That's not blinking. It's just like it is now. Water temp, speed. Tachometer. Tech did note that was not working. 14 volts. And fuel. Vents for heat and air underneath. Did notice there is a custom stereo install in the trunk. You'll be able to see that with an amp, subwoofer, that type of thing. The head unit I have not had working. Just so you're aware of that. The stereo will need a little bit of attention. Let's go ahead, since I'm in here. Pop the hood and the trunk. Door closes nicely. Here's that custom stereo install. Again with the amp and the subwoofer. So finished off nicely in the trunk. Just want to spend a little attention, a little time on that head unit. All right, let me pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood popped so we can listen to that 350 V8. And then again, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Take it for a virtual ride, if you will. Show you how this car drives out. All right, underside of the hood, painted blue, if you can see that, matching the top half of the car. Aluminum radiator, Edelbrock 4-barrel, HEI ignition, Edelbrock intake manifold. And remember, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. Very presentable engine bay. A lot of polished work done in there. Best of all, smooth running. I'm going to slip around to the back so you can take a little listen to this. I know we checked in the trunk, but we didn't really listen to it. Nice little rumble coming out of that small block. If you wanted to pull a small trailer to any rod runs or car shows, we do have a receiver in the wiring for that also. All right, let me go ahead and manually fold the top up on this. This is a manual top. Check out the condition of that. We'll wrap up this walk around video. All right, convertible top folded up. Again, manual top. I just folded it up myself. It's literally pull it out of the compartment. Latch on each side up front here. Fits nice above that windshield. The other thing I did is I did roll up the side glass and show you this front glass. They're both tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have and also where you can have it. But that'll give you an idea. Nice spit on that side glass. There's a little spot where they've got a patch, a little American flag there. And it's, I call it a fabric, kind of a soft fabric. Nice gray heather. Rear window. Appears it's got a little bit of tint to it maybe also. Looks like it's been mended just a little bit here. And then of course on both sides, when you go to fold it down, you need to undo these snaps, and when you fold it back up, snap it back up, of course. Side glass up here on the passenger side. Nice fit. Put it this way, you need the top up to keep you out of the sun or keep you dry. It's gonna work just fine. 1941 Ford Deluxe convertible, street rotted. Call us, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1941 Ford Deluxe. This would be a street rod with some great custom touches. It is a convertible and we do have the top off today. Digital dash. This is an automatic on the column, which makes it easy for anybody to drive. Power steering. A lovely sound coming out the tailpipe. The steering wheel is clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. Digital speedometer is working. The water temperature is rising. It is currently 155. Oil pressure 41. Now the tachometer is not reading. It's showing 0. Volts are 14.5. And the fuel tank is 65% full. Also giving us our odometer and a trip right there. Cloth interior. Very comfortable bucket seats. The wipers work. The blower motor works on this car. V8 stitching matching the blue and silver look to this car. Very, very good power brakes. They take very little effort and stop excellently. Easy to steer, power steering. This car stays nice and flat in the corners. They definitely paid attention to performance when they built this car. Take a look at all the pictures of this 41 Ford Deluxe street rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.